We'll go out for pineapple, my little bobby.
Skipper, look.
Analysis.
It looks like a small incandescent bulb, designed to indicate something out of the ordinary, like a malfunction.
I find it pretty and somewhat hypnotic.
That too, sir.
Right. Rico. Manual.
Problemo solved.
Sir, we may be out of fuel.
What makes you think that?
We've lost engine 1. And engine 2 is no longer on fire.
Buckle up, boys. Don't look dull.
This might get hairy. Attention! This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. Bad news is we're crash landing. When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever. But thanks again for choosing Air Penguin.
I can fly! This could be it, Marty! I just want you to know you were truly a one-in-a-million friend.
Thanks, buddy! You're the best ever!
I know you won't mind what I tell you.
Come on, tell me anything. Tell me what?
I broke your iPod!
What?
The buttons were so small! It made me mad!
The horror!
I'm sorry!
I'm gonna kill you,
It was
Black
accident.
Panther!
You're all hard hat and no cattle.
You like you love the beach, or a good book, or the beach.
My goodness, doll, you're shaking like a leaf. Rico, you've had your fun. Pull up. Gear down. Gently now, you just want to kiss the ground. Just a little peck, a smooch like you're kissing your sister. I said kiss it. Now just a little break. Just a touch. A little whisper.
I believe that's checkmate.
Commence emergency landing procedure. Flaps up. Deploy.
Okay.
Kowalski,
I don't think.
casualty report.
Only 2 passengers unaccounted for, Skipper.
That's a number I can live with. Good landing, boys. Who says a penguin can't fly?